हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज दीपक तिवारी और इस वीडियो में हम कुछ एक स्पीचेस देखने वाले हैं। जो स्पीचेस 100% सही नहीं है, उसमें बहुत सारी गलतियां हुई हैं, बहुत लोगों ने इसमें मिस्टेक किया है। क्योंकि ग्रामेटिकली मिस्टेक तो बहुत सारा उसमें हुआ ही हुआ है। क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग जिन लोगों ने इसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया है वे तो या तो बिगिनर्स है या फिर इंटरमीडिएट लेवल तक है, कुछ दिनों से वो लोग सीख रहे हैं। तो जनरली इस पर्पज से मैंने इसमें अपलोड किया है कि जो लोगों ने इसमें स्पीच दिया है वो अपनी गलतियों को देख के सीख पाए, और अपने साथ में भी जो बाकी लोग हैं जिन्होंने बोला है उसके स्पीच से कुछ लगता है कि नहीं ये सही बोला है या फिर बोलने का अंदाज अच्छा लगा, उससे भी कुछ चीजें वो सीख सकते हैं। सो आप में से जो भी देखता है उसे ये नहीं समझना कि स्पीचेस गलत हैं या फिर ये गलत तरीके से पढ़ाया गया है, सही से बोल नहीं रहा है। नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है। वो बोलते वक्त कई लोगों ने ज्यादातर गलती कर दिया है। वो जनरली इतना करते नहीं है, बट एक होता है कैमरा फोबिया। स्पेशली मैंने इस पर्पज से किया है कि कोई कैमरा फोबिया से थोड़ा बाहर आ पाए, या फिर जिन लोगों ने गलती किया है ना उसी गलती से वो सीख पाए और बाकी साथ वालों की गलती से भी सीख पाए। इन अपकमिंग वीडियो, इन फर्दर वीडियोस, आई वुड ट्राई टू अपलोड सम गुड स्पीचेस where there wouldn't be mistake. Those things I would upload in upcoming times, right? But here, whatever I'm uploading, there are some mistakes which one is made by some people unintentionally because they are beginners or they are on intermediate level. That's why they have made some mistakes. So nobody has to take that कि they have made mistake, they are not able to speak or they have learned something wrong or something. Nobody has to think like this, right? So चलिए हम चलते हैं, स्पीचेस को देखते हैं वन बाय वन। सो जिन लोगों का है वो अपना सही कर लेंगे कि उन्होंने क्या क्या गलती किया उसे सीख लेंगे, और रिमेन्स आल्सो यू कैन सी, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Good morning all of you. So I am Khushi. So my topic is BTS. BTS stands for Bangtan Sonyeondan and it is a Grammy nominated South Korean boy band group, and it stole millions of hearts of their fans since they debuted in 2013, and nowadays it is very famous because they work hard and they struggle very much. Every successful person has their own struggle story which inspires us very much, and they also have their own struggle story. Their company is about at the verge of disbanding, but they work together and now they are very much famous, and they work hard and has the worldwide fame, and this is organized by Big Hit Entertainment. And now Big Hit also have two more things, but we don't have the topic about that. We have a topic is BTS. And so BTS stands for Bangtan Sonyeondan, and this is a boy band which is very much famous, and now it is the only band which has win 9 awards in this 2021. Till now they have 427 awards they have joined, and 600 awards get, and they have more than 600 they have joined nominations. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nima. Today I am going to tell you about the country Venezuela. Venezuela is a country which is known as Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela. The currency of Venezuela is Venezuelan Bolivarian, and which is equals to 7 rupees of Indian currency. The total population of Venezuela is 3 crore. It comes in the position of 50th position. The total land area of this country is 8,80,050 square kilometer. The people of this country believes that the study of student is more important than time. That's why the children of this country will go in 3 shifts like morning, afternoon and night. The famous drink of this country is chicha adina. It is made up of rice. People said that if you drink this you will never forget the taste of it. There is a largest waterfall which is known as Angel Waterfall. The Cota Tumbo River in Venezuela is recorded in the Guinness World Record in 2015 because of more than 1 lakh strikes occur a night. And in this country there is the cost of petrol is very cheap, and that's why it export their 80% of petrol. There are only 2 seasons in this country. The girl of this country had became 6-time Miss Universe and 5-time Miss World. That's all.
Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Bhandari and today my topic is humanity. Humanity is a quality of kindness and sympathy in human being. Humanity is trying to understand others and realize their problem with your own eyes. It means caring for others and helping the needy people. It also means caring and loving animals and plants. Every religion in this world tells about humanity. Humanity are the reason we all are what we are today. People who works for humanity are the happiest one. No matter which religion we belong to, we are human first. We must help each other, strive for humanity. And we can give food someone who is hungry. We can give our clothes who really need it. We can help poor students by purchasing their books and paying their fees. We don't need to be a very rich to serve humanity. A small act of kindness when someone in trouble will be a great help. And let's do our best for the humanity. If we give our little bit from our side, so world makes a better place to live. That's all about my topic.
Hello everyone, I am Harshit. Today I am tell about mobile phone. Mobile phone is easy communication. The main benefit of mobile use of mobile communications and as that they made communication easier and cheap. Mobile phone advantages students and common people are first thing, students are improved knowledge and helpful in studies, and common people are research and search, access to internet in mobile, and social media apps, and help of emergencies, and disadvantage of mobile are we all lots of time are spent phone, and dangerous radiation and health issues, and distract all time. That's all. Thank you about my topic.
Good morning all of you. Today I am going to tell my daily routine. I wake up early in the morning at 6. Then I brush my teeth. Then I take bath, and then I worship, and then I ready to go to office. Then I reach office 10:30 am. Then I meet all office friends, and then I do office work. Then I take lunch afternoon at 1 at 1 a.m. No, p.m. Sorry. Then I walk in office park in 10 minutes. At 10 minutes. Then I do office work. Then evening time to take tea. Then I leaving office at 6 a.m. and then I come to computer coaching class, and then I go to house, and then I go to house, and then I fresh, and then I take dinner, and then I sleep. Thank you all of you. That's all my topic.
Hello everyone, I am Sakshi. My topic is myself. My name is Sakshi. I passing 12th pass, and I live in Ayanagar, and I am from Bihar, and my family is big family, and that's all. Thank you.
Good morning all of you. My name is Grace Lakra. Today I am going to tell all of you about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated 25th December. It is birthday of Jesus Christ. Christian people celebrated that day. Christian people clean their house, neat and clean their house, and after that decorate their house. After that they decorate their house. After that they whitewash their house. After that they decorate tastefully things like glitters, decoration flowers like glitter lights and garlands. They decorate their house. After that they celebrated their house together their house. After that and they enjoyed like Christmas tree. They decorate and they go to church for pray, and they enjoyed there. After that they come at home. They cut cake and distribute their proceeds and their neighbor and relatives and children. They distribute cake. After that they enjoyed with family, and they go to visit for whichever like malls, and they do shopping and they enjoyed there. After that they come back home. They come back home. After that they cooked food different food together, and they enjoyed party like listening music and dance at home. After that they enjoyed. After that their relatives go their home. After that they enjoyed and they sleep at night. That's all my topic. Thank you.
Hi, good morning all of you. This is Vikas, which means development. First of all, like to thank you all of you who will listen for I am telling about Canada. Canada is beautiful country. The Prime Minister of Canada, Mr. Justin Trudeau, Mr. Jasneet Rory is good person in Kannada. He has good experience and good quality. The population in Kannada 38 millions, and Kannada's culture is very well. That is my topic. Thank you all of you. Have a great day.
Good morning everyone. I am Aswani Singh. I am telling about unemployment. What is unemployment? The term of unemployment refers to a situation when a person who is actively searching for employment but not find work. The survey by the NSA, National Statistical Office, this survey currently unemployment rate in India 9.3% per annum. What is causes of unemployment? First is high population and low developing and low economic develop. How to reduce unemployment? Set up companies, set up factories, and for maximum force to education, high education system, improve education system. That's all about my topic. Thank you.
Good evening guys, I am Ankit. Today I am speak about the value of teachers in everyone's life. Basically teachers are the very crucial member of our society. They give us a very important lesson, and actually they play a vital role in making a bridge where we are and where we want to go in our life. They give us an objective of our life. They make our life in a directed way, and without teachers no one can synchronize their thoughts, and in some time people get demotivated in their life. At that time teachers is the only persons who can understand everyone's behave and everyone's situation, and at that time they are very well support that everyone. And basically teachers give us a very good temperament. If we lose something in our life, they encourage, they strengthen ourselves, and basically they teach us. If we lose in our life something, they tells us you lose anything but you don't lose the willpower of within you, and the time you have. With the willpower and the time you can achieve anything in your life. If there is not a teacher, we have a lot of energy and power, but we cannot use in a directed way, and we cannot reach anywhere else in our life. That's it. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, my name is Pooja Kamari. Today's my topic is business organization, some under in government and some under in private sector. These are sole proprietorship, partnership, cooperative society, joint Hindu family business, and joint stock company. Private sector owned by ownership and public owned by government. First is sole proprietorship. In a sole proprietorship, one man own all business owned by one man owned by all business, and his liability is unlimited. He bear all risks and enjoy all profits. For example, a shopkeeper, extra. And second is partnership. In a partnership, more than two people owned by this organization, and their liability is under in Karta, and their Karta liability is unlimited, and remains all members their liability is limited. Karta is oldest person in his family, and fifth is joint stock company. In a joint stock company, one man established this entity, and he invest her capital in his business, and many people invest his capital, and these are called shares. Their liability is limited. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Aman Singh from Delhi, and today I am going to speak about air pollution in Delhi. So we all can see Delhi is the most polluted city in this world, and in Delhi we live in very poor quality of air, and this is very dangerous for our health. How we are living, how we are doing every day our daily work. We go outside, but in Delhi there is a very poor quality of air. So there is some reasons which we should consider, which is vehicles. Vehicles is the biggest reason of pollution. So and second reason is how some illegal industrial area there are some fires and lots of things. So we all should consider about pollution, because it's very dangerous for our health. So that's all about my topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha Majumdar. Today I'm telling about my topic is visiting. I'm visiting to West Bengal. West Bengal temple is most popular temple. For example, Dakshineshwar Kalibari, and Mayapur ISKCON temple. Mayapur ISKCON temple was all India too. And most important, most popular place was Gangtok, Darjeeling, Digha, everything. So more places. Darjeeling famous because Darjeeling tree garden was very beautiful on the hill, and Digha famous beach.
Hello friends, my name is Suraj Singh. I am telling about Constitution. Constitution is meaning of Hindi Samvidhan. Constitution is the word who describe our rules and regulation, and he also describe our responsibilities. And the Constitution gives all the details related to what is legal and what is illegal. And the Constitution have many articles, around 460 plus articles in there, and every article is important for us because this article is relate to our life, so you must know. And the Constitution was made on 26 November 1949, but it was implemented on 26 January. Therefore we are celebrate on 26 January as a Republic Day. And the Constitution is one of the longest constitution of the world. And Indian Constitution is the only one constitution that was handwritten in two languages, Hindi and English. And the Indian Constitution Ambedkar is the chairman of the drafting committee. And that's all about my topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today is my topic myself. My name is Indrajit. I am 17 years old. My birthday is 12 October. I study in 11th and government school. I live in Delhi. My friend is my friend many friends, and Dev is best friend. My hobbies is arts and dance. Where are 3 siblings, 1 sister and 2 brothers. That's all about my topics. Thank you.
Hello everyone. My name is Sachin Chandramola. Today my topic is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is one of the major states of India. It was established 9 November 2000 as the 27th state of India. This state has been carved out of Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand was yearly as Uttaranchal. Uttarakhand is a state surrounded by mountains and it's also called Devbhumi. Uttarakhand is tourist-rich state and large number of people come here every year to visit. Hindi and Sanskrit language mainly spoken in here. That's all about my topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rishabh Srivastava. Today my topic is New Delhi. New Delhi is heart of India. Delhi is a historical city. The old buildings remind us about its glorious past. The people come to Delhi to see historical places like Qutub Minar, India Gate and Zoo, Red Fort and famous Birla Temple. Every kind of people live here. It has been divided into New Delhi and Old Delhi. Have business centers like Chandni Chowk, Sadar Bazaar and Connaught Place. There are school, college, banks, office, factories, market, hotel. The city is expanding day by day. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruby Srivastava. Today I am going to talk about one of the most important topic, that is women empowerment. First of all, we need to understand what is women empowerment. Women empowerment is political, social health and economical improvement for women. Today, most of the women are not allowed to do job in rural area. Even women are not allowed to make a decision for herself. Mostly men are responsible for earning and women are responsible only for taking care home and kids. Education for girls must be made compulsory. Parents must be teach to her daughter to raise voice for right. Thank you, sir.
Good morning all of you. My name is Pinky. Today I am telling about vegetables. Vegetables are the main part of our food. Vegetables are good for our health. Vegetables low in price and high in nutrition. Green vegetables are good for our health. Eating green vegetables and keep both bodies and hormones. Eating green vegetables increase immunity. We can plant our houses. Green vegetables also used junk foods. Green vegetables like honeydew. That's all about my topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepak Bisht. I am from Uttarakhand. I am a bakery chef. I am making bread, cake and everything. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Parveen Singh Bisht. I am from Uttarakhand. I am a bakery chef and I am making many breads and cakes. That's all my topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Manvinder Singh. I am from Uttarakhand. I am bakery chef.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjeet. My topic is myself. My name is Sanjeet. I live in Delhi. My hobbies are playing cricket and watch TV and
Good morning, my name is Pawan. Today I am telling about my topic. My topic is Sardar Patel. Was popular, he was Sardar Patel, our freedom fighter, our country. He is born in 31 December in 1875 in Nadia, Gujarat, and he took last breath in 15 December 1950 in Mumbai. He is most powerful, and he some give a Indian title. He called some Iron Man because he some most everyone call him Iron Man. Iron Man is called Loha Purush, and that's over my topic. Thank you.